Well, good morning, YouTube, and my viewers and subscribers. This is William from Williams, Philippines. It is Monday morning, September 16th, 2024, at about 4:20 in the a.m. Hope everybody's doing good. Boy, uh, boy, I ain't even sure what to go on today. Actually, got some rest and questioning why people would want to use their own car for being an Uber driver because one of my friends was doing Uber driver and had wreck. And now it's all involved with that and is costing some issues or causing some issues. But supposed to be getting it fixed today. So, yay, I hope it's good. Uh, Another one of my friends was doing the Uber also. And yeah, I think he still makes some money on it. I'm not sure, but I think he is. Anyway, down Louisiana way. But yeah, uh, insurance and such. Part of me wants to just drop back and have just the liability insurance and save all that extra. Because, well, I don't know about you, but I don't like paying a lot of money for insurance. But things cost money, and, well, yeah, it's all that fun stuff. And I still get to go and, try to take a defensive driving class and get this ticket took care of. Uh, yeah, that's going to be fun. As if this last week was really devastating to my finances. I don't know about you, but having your pretty much a whole paycheck just go poof in a week, you know, besides your normal bills, wouldn't be so bad. But I just had one with my brake drum, and the brake drum, uh, was just a little while back, and yay, just what I needed, another one. It is what it is. So yeah, trying to get that figured out and taken care of. So far, I've made it you know, around the building and up the stairs and back through the building for one trip. So I did 12 walk rounds and one up and through. So got a little bit of exercise. I think I'm going to call it because I still have breakfast to go and do after this. But yeah, trying to get my exercise in. Actually feeling get better about this. Uh, my legs aren't hurting as much as they were. Uh, so yay, that's good. Getting the exercise regularly is helping. I just got to remember to take a wrap around the building every time I go to the bathroom. Usually I try to take two at least. So it is what it is. That's a good thing. Uh, yeah, and still kind of surprised that I had somebody say they knew me as a YouTube vlogger. Kind of surprised because I mean, let's see, there's been 21,000 views in the whole wide world. What's the odds? 21,000 people, one of them showing up here. I ain't gonna try to figure it out, but hey, someone did. Life goes on. Just kind of caught me off guard. But that's okay. Uh, Stranger things have happened. Uh, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here after work today and try to get over and get the Got to remember to carry my insurance paper with me, the right one, and go over to the station and courthouse and get that taken care of, so I can get the defensive driver course going and get that in there and get that taken care of. Because, well, uh, if you don't pay them, they throw you in jail. And jail's no fun. I can guarantee you. I've had traffic tickets that I didn't pay on time. They'll come get you for that stuff. Like I said, they want to fund their retirement. Anyway, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm having to juggle my Wi-Fi connection because my my wireless part of my router's gone, and yeah, I don't know. It's really a pain in the butt when you're used to being able to walk around the house and not worry about it while you're watching a YouTube on a tablet. But now it's like you know, choose where you want to sit and be able to watch it on your computer because there's wireless. Now all my sitting patterns and such have been scrambled for the week. It's supposed to get here Saturday, so yay. Hopefully, yeah, it's the version 6 stuff going on. I don't know, IP6 or something like that. And yeah, like I said, I was in need of a newer one. My old one's been working for a long time and it just finally gave up the ghost. It would have been nice to not had to have bought it right away, but okay, life happens. You keep going on, even when the world decides to throw you sideways. At least you didn't slide backwards. You just try to, when it knocks you down, get back up. Try not to go backwards while you're getting up. Try to slide sideways if you can, or continue to claw forth. But hey, live, enjoy. Just realize it could have been worse. Be thankful it wasn't. Hey, and laugh at it. And as for, you know, somebody made a comment about, a lot of old men getting scammed over there. Well, yeah, some folks decide to be making choices that allow for bad decisions to come back and bite you. Uh, I have a tendency to look to the future and see where this is going and judge what's been in my life before and decide against that whether it's worth getting in. You know, I'm big on consequences to choices, and everything in life is a choice. And some people deciding to throw money at a problem or throw money around like crazy is a sure way to attract people that want to steal money from you. And hey, there's enough of them out there that eventually they'll get you, especially if you're going to places where that number of people is higher. Uh, people, say the Philippines has a lot of scammers. My question is, have you ever been to Chicago or Detroit or Atlanta? Yeah, or California? Yeah, thanks Dallas even. Yeah, there's a lot of people out there that'll just steal you blind if they're given a chance. Uh, avoid, you know, those people, places, and things that cause that to happen. Everything in life is a consequence of a choice you make. So if you want to make bad choices, you can. It is what it is. Good night, sir. But yes, everything's a choice. Kind of like cigarettes. Chooses to burn money in the form of a leafy tobacco product, or to chew on it and have to deal with the gums rotting out, or smoke it and deal with your lungs rotting out. I'm glad I gave that up 20, what, 4 years ago? Yeah, almost 24 years ago. Yeah, 24 years. Uh, Everything in life is a choice. Sometimes it has long term consequences, you know. You get married, you say I do's. Well, 20 years later, you're still I'm doings because you said. Or you can say no and end up with the consequences of half. So, yeah, everything's a choice. Choose to go where places where people are, you know, going to try to rob you, go flashing a bunch of stuff around where people are have a tendency to, you know, be poor and want to steal stuff from you. Hey, crap happens. It can happen real quick. But everything's a choice. So, I got a fly flying around here annoying me. I've missed it several times. I've got the fly swatter deer here. I'm going to get it eventually because it's annoying me. And, well, that's a sure way to get uh, swatted with a fly swatter, is for a fly to annoy somebody. I hope they understand that consequence, but hey, flies. They just come around. They do what they do. It is what they do. You know, it is what they is. Uh, kind of like today. I forgot to put my, well, it's not so much I forgot as I went by, looked at it, and said no, and went out the door. Now I wish I had of, but hey, no teeth. Scare a jack o' lantern today. But yeah, choices. So yeah, people getting scammed. Well, it happens everywhere. A lot of people scam the older folks. Uh, Sadly, there's a lot of folks out there that make choices that draw attention to people that are scammers that cause it to happen. But again, choice. Are you doing things that draw the attention? You know, go waving a gold watch around in, you know, the poor spots in Manila. Most likely, somebody's going to try to steal that watch from you, even if it is just a chunk of junk. If it looks pretty, somebody's going to probably try to take it. But guess what? I don't believe in watches. I have clocks on my phones. That's where I got my alarm clocks. I got clocks on the wall, and yes, I know how to read them. And I don't do you know, too much in the way of watches. It's just never did jewelry much either. Uh, I think the last time I actually wore jewelry was a copper band that I wore around my wrist, and I still got it at the house. I might keep it. Because, hey, if nothing else, it's worth a couple pennies worth of copper. Because apparently it's got those magical. I had a girlfriend give it to me once, a long time ago. And, well, ain't so much that I believed in her words that the copper bands have magical properties, is that, well, I liked the girl. She wanted me to wear it, so I wore it. Uh, that didn't last, but I still got the copper band. It's in one of my drawers at home. Uh, I do have a couple other pieces of jewelry, but I'm not really big on any of them. Uh, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm not worried about being out there and drawing attention from people, but then again, I'm not soft and cuddly. Kind of been on the rough side of life. I'm a poor boy. I pay attention to what I own. I don't go try and give it away. And I know how to say no. Yeah. Uh, and yeah, uh, I'm not going to try to start a business in the Philippines. I'm not going to just run out and build somebody a house. Uh, and as for, having to pay load for somebody's something, how's this my responsibility? Did you have a phone yesterday that worked? Okay, well, then it's your problem. Uh, I deal with me. I very much deal with me. Between these ears, my heart, head, and God is where I work. I don't try to deal with other people. It's just not my department, not my want to give a flying Fruit Loop about. You know, and like that little piece of paper I showed once a while back. I do understand this, and I'm good at saying this. You know, where's that? Where's that? Oh, da, 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 da. There you go. Hello. Nope. Hi. I don't care. Thanks. Almost got that dang thing. Coffee over there and this one on the right. Anyway, I'm gonna call this. Y'all have a good day. William Williams, Philippines. I'm out.